Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. We have a new word to learn.
Umfrage.
Hi Alex.
Umfrage.
What does that mean?
Great question.
Umfrage.
Means survey or poll in English. It's commonly used when collecting opinions or data from people. The most common meaning is survey, but be careful because it might be confused with other similar words like inquiry.
Interesting. How do I use
Umfrage.
in a sentence?
Well,
Umfrage.
is a feminine noun, so it takes the article.
Die.
Its plural form is.
Umfragen.
You could say,
Die Umfrage war sehr interessant.
which means the survey was very interesting.
Got it. What about the past tense?
In the past tense, you can say,
Die Umfrage war.
which is from the verb,
Sein.
and in the perfect tense, it would be.
Die Umfrage hat stattgefunden.
Meaning the survey took place.
That's useful. Is there anything else about the grammar?
Yes. The imperative form isn't very common for nouns like this, but you might say,
Mach eine Umfrage.
meaning do a survey.
Okay. Where does the word
Umfrage.
come from?
Umfrage.
Comes from the German words meaning around or about, and,
Frage.
which means question. It literally translates to around question or about question, reflecting its purpose of gathering questions from people.
That's fascinating. So, it's like collecting questions from different angles.
Exactly. Think of it like gathering information from various perspectives.
Can we break down the word more?
Absolutely. The prefix suggests something surrounding or encompassing, and the root
Frage.
is straightforward since it means question. There's no suffix here, but it's a compound word.
How does the gender work with compounds?
Good question. In compounds, the gender follows the last noun, which is
Frage.
because,
Frage.
is feminine,
Umfrage.
is also feminine.
Are there similar words I should know?
Yes. Here are a few examples. First, with the same prefix, we have
Umstellen.
meaning to rearrange, and
Umziehen.
which means to move or to change residence. Then there's
Frage.
itself with similar words like
Fragen.
meaning to ask and
Fragebogen.
which means questionnaire.
And what about suffixes?
For suffixes, we can look at
Umfang,
meaning scope, and
Umgang,
meaning interaction or handling.
This is really helpful. Can you give me some real-life situations where I might use
Umfrage.
Sure. Imagine you're at work. You might say,
Ich mache eine Umfrage unter den Mitarbeitern.
which means I'm doing a survey among the employees.
Let me try.
Ich mache eine Umfrage unter meinen Freunden.
Perfect. That's a great sentence. Another situation could be at a restaurant. You might say,
Die Umfrage über das Essen war positiv.
meaning the survey about the food was positive.
How about
Die Umfrage über den Service war schlecht.
Exactly. That's spot on. Lastly, while traveling, you could say,
Ich habe an einer Umfrage über die Stadt teilgenommen.
which means I participated in a survey about the city.
very useful? Before we wrap up, how can I remember the gender of
Umfrage.
A good hint is that it ends with,
Edge.
which is often feminine in German. You could visualize a group of women asking questions in a circle to help remember it.
That's a clever image.
One last note, remember that
Umfrage.
is more formal when referring to proper surveys, like those conducted by companies. Some typical phrases are
Eine Umfrage durchführen.
meaning to conduct a survey, and
Die Umfrage auswerten.
meaning to evaluate the survey.
I see. I can see how it might get confused with
Anfrage.
meaning inquiry.
Exactly. Great catch. Now, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Umfrage.
mean?
It means survey.
Correct. What is its gender?
It's feminine.
Right again. Can you give me the plural form?
Umfragen.
Perfect. What's a sentence using
Umfrage.
in the past tense?
Die Umfrage war sehr interessant.
Excellent. Last question, what is the meaning of the word?
Frage.
It means question.
Fantastic job today, Sam. The key takeaway is that
Umfrage.
is a feminine noun meaning survey, and it's useful for gathering opinions and data. Keep practicing, and you'll remember it easily.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about
Umfrage.
today.